Alright, number one, we want to find the sum of this series. If it does not exist, we'll put dne. So we're going starting at 1 to infinity, because it goes forever. And then we have an equation here, but it's not like what we're used to seeing. So just let me explain it. Our explicit formula that we're used to seeing is a1 times r n minus 1. But I want you to notice here, this is just k. So if I rewrite this, this could also be k minus 1. When it's just k, our formula changes a little. It means we're adding 1 right here, right, to be k. So when it's just k, it's actually what we call the zero term, or the y-intercept, times the ratio to just k. So this formula, -9's not the first term, it's the zero term, and then r's the common ratio. So if you think about a sequence, our zero term, or our intercept, is -9. To find the sum, we have to use this formula where we need the first term and the ratio. Well, we know the ratio is 1/4. So to find the first term, we would take the previous term times the ratio. So -9 times 1/4, which is -9/4. That's the first term. So just remember, when you're looking at a formula where it doesn't say -1, that means that you're starting with the y-intercept, or what we call the zero term. Okay, so now we have our numbers. Let's plug it into the formula. First term is -9/4, and then 1 minus r is 1/4. But if it doesn't exist, we're going to enter dne. So let's make sure it exists first. To find out if it exists, we look at the ratio. And is it less than 1 or greater than 1? So since r is less than 1, then we calculate. So if it's greater than 1, that means that our sequence would be getting bigger and bigger and bigger when we need it to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, so sorry, side note there. Now let's calculate. So -9/4 divided by 1 minus 1/4, which is -3. So the sum of this series is -3.